Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to remove video background in CapCut Mobile. Removing video backgrounds in CapCut Mobile is done by selecting your clip. So let's say I'm selecting this part. All right, scroll a little bit down, or excuse me, swipe left below to find Remove BG here. So I'm going to press Remove BG. You can use auto removal or select custom removal to maybe you want to remove some part, like maybe you want to remove an object, something like that. In my case, I'm going to use the auto removal. As you can see, that's what it's going to look like. All I got to do now is just wait because it's being downloaded here. Okay. So wait for a few moments to apply this feature completely. You can then add a new background, or maybe you want to use chroma key to for green screen footage. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps. See you in the next one.